Welcome back to my channel Mathematics. Happy to see you here, and really interesting challenge today is 3 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Maybe this is challenge you've ever seen, but what is the correct answer? Because a lot of students make this mistake, a lot of students fail this question absolutely, and right here we have three options A, B and C. So choose one option what you think is the correct answer to this challenge and write your option down into the comment section. It will be really interesting to check your answers in the end of the video. It will be really great test for us, okay? So here's our challenge, here's our option. Choose one option what you think is the correct and write your option down into the comment section. So first of all, I want to start with this first interpretation, okay? So we have 3 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Here's our challenge. And one part of students solve this question like that. They say, okay, we have right here we have subtraction, and we have the same subtraction right here on the right hand side. So 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1, right here we have 2, and right here we have 2. So 2 divided by 2, because we still have division in the middle, so which gives us 1, okay? And we have this option, this is option B. So one part of students solve this question like that. But really important moment, because in terms of math, we can't solve our question randomly. We can't solve this question chaotically. We should know what is the correct order to do this problem, okay? And for this second interpretation, let's solve this question in a different way, but let's use this, for example, PMDMC order of operation. This is the most popular order of operation in the world. All internet libraries, scientific, graphing calculator works according to this PMDMC. So right now, let's solve this question according to this PMDMC. So we have 3 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1, okay? And right now, this PMDMC works from the top to the bottom. So the first step, parentheses, then we should evaluate exponent, then we should evaluate multiplication division group, and the last step, addition and subtraction group, okay? So let's scan what elements do we have in our challenge. We have subtraction, we have division, we have subtraction. So we have only two steps. First step, division right here, yeah? And the second step is subtraction, okay? Really important moment. And right now, we don't have addition, we don't have multiplication, we don't have exponent, we don't have parentheses, so we have only division and subtraction. And right now, let's scan what is the first step in the perspective of order of operation. As I told before, parentheses has the highest priority, and then step by step, the lower priority, lower, and the lowest, addition and subtraction. So it implies that the first step is division, and the second step is subtraction, okay? And the second step is subtraction. And it's really important moment, because right here we have division right here in the middle, so it gives us a completely different solution, because before we subtracted 3 minus 1 and 3 minus 1, but in this second interpretation we divided 1 divided by 3, okay? So we have 3 minus, let's write it as a fraction, so 1 over 3, let's write it, and minus 1. And the second step, subtraction. So let's subtract it. We can find common denominator, but I don't want to do this. Obviously, we have our answer, because 3 minus 1 third minus 1. This looks like 2 minus 1 third, which gives us 5 over 3. So 5 third. This is our answer to this challenge. If you find common denominator, we will have the same answer as mine, but right here we have 3 minus 1, which gives us 2, and 2 minus 1 third gives us 6 third, minus 1 third gives us 5 over 3, or 5 third, which is option C. And really important moment, what is the correct answer? 5 third or 1? Really important moment right now, because a lot of students confused about the correct answer. One part of student tell that correct answer is 1, another part of student that 5 third, and here's my answer to you. Of course, correct answer is 5 over 3, because we solved it according to a correct order of operation. This is very bad solution, because we can't subtract these two values. We can't jump right here from left to right and subtract this 3 minus 1. We should put brackets, and then this is a correct solution. When we put brackets, then subtraction will have the higher priority than division, because subtraction is inside parentheses, which is our first step. So then right here, parentheses, first step, highest priority, right here, highest priority, and then 1. Okay, this is a correct solution. But in our case, we don't have parentheses, so the correct answer to our challenge is 5 over 3, which is option C. Okay, let's write our answer. This option C, is a correct answer to this challenge. Here's my explanation to this challenge. I hope you understand it. I hope you learned something new, but definitely don't feel bad if you got this wrong. If you need help, I have a lot of videos with basic math, pre-algebra concept questions. So if you're interested in this, I will be really grateful if you subscribe to my channel and write your suggestion into the comment section. What do you think about these challenges? What do you think about this solution? And thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.